Okay, so in today's video, something simple. I'm going to show you top 5 features about it. I actually post videos about my setup and everything. People ask me, where do you get this desk from? What's the price? What are the features? Can I know some of the features? Where did you get from? Let me know the price, what I buy. So in today's video, I just decided to make a video dedicated for this table. So reviewing everything about top 5 features about this table, why I like this table, and yeah. Oh, it looks messy. Yes, so this is my setup. This is my table. That's my table. It's just a simple table bar with top tier features. Yeah, because I actually post on Instagram my setup and people like, oh, what's the features of your table? What does it entail? What does it do? Yes, this table that I think has many features, but I just detail everything to just top 5 features that I think will make you like this table. I think every gamer, everyone who is into probably editing or wants a good workspace or something, this table is best for you. Let's hop into the video. So number 5 is the wires. As you all know, when probably you are working, there are people, lots of people who want to work with on a workspace or probably a desk setup with 0 wires. And as you can see, there are wires on the table, but it's quite minimum. The only wires here you can see is the wire here. And there's a wire, but I don't think it's visible to you. And I think the keyboard wire aside that, there's no wires you can actually see. All the wires are down there. That's how the table has been designed to be. So what's the top feature about this table that makes it for you to clear all the wires on the table? First of all, it has this thing here, this wire, I don't know the name, jacket, whatever it is. How will I call it? Wire space here, one, and there's another one too over here like this. Yes, this the one. So it's possible probably to pass all your wires from any on the table through this place rather than it being lying on the table anyhow. So you could see that the keyboard wire is actually passed from here straight to the down and passes here to the what's the name, the machine. And also the wires for the monitor is also here down straight, and also the HDMI likewise. Yeah, instead of me putting it on the table all the way to here. So I think this one feature about it. And also, and that's not all about it, wires and everything. I think there are more things under the table. I think we should go under the table. Yes, under the table. Under, let me see. Yes, under the table. So, not good. Yeah, that's all about the metal thing under the table. So in case there is a wire or something, I bring an extension board over there and I put some other wires there and it's disturbing me, what can I do? So bro, let me use this wire as an example. I'll just put it over here and I think it holds it for me, and I can just put all of them over there rather than the wires lying on the floor just like that. So you see, it's that simple. That's one big feature about the table over here. And also about these things, this is what is connected for the what's the name, the lights over here. It's that simple. Yeah, so all these are use wires, and their wires are under the table. So you see, everything is mainly under the table. So I think this is one big feature about the table, how the wires and everything are being arranged. So this actually leads us to the next one, which is what the lightning we see over here. Yeah, it's also came with the table, so you would have to screw it over here. And I think one shocking thing I explained was that all the wires have been placed down there, so you don't see anything in this. So, and also the which you can actually control it, so it's quite controllable. People will be wondering, what about the mat over here? This mat is something perfectly over. Actually got it ourselves. This one extra touch, an extra lighting in our background and everything. It's just and that one it didn't have a remote, so we just turn it on and off over here and just change the colors and everything, go to everything, increase the brightness, everything is done here, and it's that simple and it's very, very cool. So number 3, which is actually your health. Yes, so what probably are behind the monitor, are behind the PC, you are the type who work for long hours, let's say 4 or 5 hours. I think your health doesn't matter. Probably we learned back in GHS primary that when you sit for long, there is a pain at your spinal cord. We taught how to sit in classes, how to sit behind the computer. We should maintain a sitting posture, something like this, not like this, not like this, that kind of thing. Yes. So this bed actually has this thing over here, which makes it possible for everything. So in case you want to sit, it helps you so that you don't just sit in how pushes in cut. It positions your leg so that you'll be able to sit straight. So I think this is a good feature. So yeah, it's not a big deal though. It's not a big deal, but with respect to your health and everything, I think this is a good feature. If you're someone who prioritizes your health very well, your bones and everything, I think this is a good feature. And whenever you're tired, you can actually go back on with your chair or switch or whatever chair you're using, and just rest your leg on it. And it's that simple. And I think this is a major thing about the table. In as much as it has lightness and everything, this is one priority. One thing I prioritize much about the table. So number 2 is something that came with the table. That me myself, I'm not a fan of it. I've not installed. It's where we keep headphones and any proper water bottle or something. So it came with something that I think should be somewhere here. It should be somewhere here. Yes. So this thing came with quite dusty. Very, very dusty. If you are enjoying the video, I think someone on the channel will be wash. I'll look for a word. So yes, this thing actually, it's supposed to be somewhere here like this, where you can keep your headset over here and your water bottle is probably on top. And I think it's a good feature for people who probably take snacks or something when doing videos or something. So I think this table also comes with this thing. And personally, I don't utilize this one. Yes, I'm not utilizing the full thing. So yeah, but this is one thing I think I should speak about the table. Yes, and the last thing is the price. It's quite unfortunate that this thing is very cheap and it's not even up to $100. People were actually commenting like, is it up to $1,000, $500 or more? And the prices people were mentioning were too outrageous. I'm like, wow, this table, okay, with all these features I had mentioned and everything, probably should be a table above $1,000. Or this autonomous table that's quite, you can raise and lift. It's quite adjustable. Yes, it should be competing in those tables with respect to the prices, but with other features, I don't think it's up to $100. Yes, I'm very sure. Not even up to $50. It's very, very cheap. Like, it's very, very cheap. The time it's very, very, very cheap. Not up to $50. Yes, with respect to the price and the shipping and everything, clearance and everything, it's not even up to $50. And that's what this features. This is a great table for, or probably people who use setups or something for their personal work, clients work, business and everything. I think this is the good best one. I didn't get it from Amazon. I'll show you I got it from any moment from now. Yeah, that'll probably be in the next video or something. So yeah, that's all for today. We've spoken about the wires, the lightning. We've spoken about this health thing, yes, and the metal one at the table where you keep wires and everything, and the pots over here. So yes, that's just the top 5 features about this thing. We feel like this video, and I think someone on the channel will be upgradable so that you can upgrade this table. See you in my next video. I'm 4-4.